Students, today we will start the next chapter, that is our environment. Okay, chapter 15, our environment. So, what are the topics included in this chapter? Okay, we will see first this, that is, first is introduction, components of environment, waste, ecosystem, food chain, food web, 10% law, biological magnification, ozone, ozone depletion, and last is the managing the garbage we produce. Okay, so these are the topics which are covered in this chapter. Okay, so first we will see the introduction. Okay, so as you all know that environment is very important to us. Okay, we all know that environment is very important to us. The reason being that is it affect our health. Okay, means the environment affect our health, as you all know that health is wealth. Okay, so we know that environment affect our health because, and we all know that health is wealth. Okay, health is wealth means if we are healthy, we have all things. Okay, but if we are not healthy, how we can survive our life better? Okay, we can't survive our life better if we are not healthy. Okay, so environment has very important role in our life. Clear? Okay, means environment is very important. How is the environment? Okay, for our health, it should be clean, pure. Okay, so in the environment, we see that around us there are different types of things. Some are living, some are non-living. Okay, so we can define the environment as the sum total of everything around us. Okay, the sum total of everything around us means what are the things around us and organism, including both living and non-living components. Okay, so in the environment we all see that there are different components, that is living and non-living components and these are around us. Okay, and this both component influence the environment. Okay, so this both component affect the environment. Okay, so this is what environment. So we can define the environment is that in easy simple definition also, that everything which is around us, that is everything which surround us, that is environment, or environment is the sum total of everything around us and organism, including both living and non-living component, that is environment. Okay, here I am showing one diagram in which both is showing. Okay, biotic and as well as abiotic component. Okay, so in this diagram you can see that there are abiotic environment and the biotic. Okay, in the biotic what you are seeing here, the animals, okay, plants, okay, these are what biotic means living component, and in the abiotic component, weather, climate, atmosphere, okay, these are what abiotic component. So environment is the sum of both, that is biotic and abiotic component. Clear? So now we will see components of environment. What are the components of environment? So we know that in environment what there are two components, that is abiotic and biotic. Okay, so abiotic are what? That are non-living component, and biotic are living component. Okay, so here we can see this in abiotic factor. Okay, you know that there are non-living factor that affect the environment. Okay, it includes, there are different factors in the abiotic component. Okay, first is climatic factor, second physiographic factor, third is edaphic factor. Okay, in climatic factor what comes? Wind, water, light and temperature. In physiographic factor like height, slope. In edaphic factor like minerals, soil texture, soil organism, pH of the soil. These are what? All are abiotic factor. Okay. Now here is second is biotic factor. So they are living factor, okay, that affect the environment, and it includes, that is grazing animals. Okay, grazing animals like cow, okay, Grazing animals are what? They are cow, insect, lichen. And we all know that lichen is what? It is a symbiotic association between algae and fungi. Okay, lichen is a symbiotic association between algae and fungi and human that we are. Okay, so these are the biotic factor in the environment. So we have seen that biotic and abiotic factor. One diagram I am showing here. Biotic factor vs abiotic factor vs biotic factor. Okay, in abiotic factor about sunlight, temperature, soil, water, air, and in biotic factor fly, okay, fungi, wolf, plants. Okay, means soil is non-living things that has an influence on living organism such as plants. Okay, and plants provide food for herbivores, okay, plant eaters, which is in turn support population of carnivores, meat eaters like wolves. Means all are related to each other. Okay, so this is what we have seen this today, that what is environment and what are the components of environment. Okay, so next topic we will see what are waste. Thank you.